Hello all, welcome again for another amazing video, and welcome back again for another bed transformation video. In this video today we are going to be transforming this 4x6 bed into a 5x6 bed or modern design bed, and I'm going to be adding a side table because the client wanted also a side table. So make sure to stay till the end of the video so that you can fully understand, enjoy and learn one or two from us. Anyway, I arrived early in the morning to the client's home, and this is the steps that I did follow while doing this bed transformation. The first thing that I normally do is separate or cut the headboard and the lower side into halves so that I can expand them, and I use these pieces of wood to do these modifications. Yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you a clip after clip on what I normally do during this process. After doing this modification, I usually use also a 3mm plywoods to cover the whole frames, and this is done using nails. I normally use 1-inch nails to attach these forms, but the rest of the bed, the modification, I normally use 2.5 or 3 inches of nails. So this is the structure, this is how I'm going to be doing this modification on the headboard. I did cut it, and I'm going to be using that adjustment layer. That is the part that I normally use to raise the headboard, and yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. After doing all that, this is how it came out. So what is left for this part here is for me to attach the plywood as the lower side. So now you have a little knowledge on what I normally do during these transformations. Like you need to like when you want to expand your bed from a smaller bed into a bigger bed, and also to transform it into a modern design. So that these are the basic steps and materials that I normally use during this process. After doing all that, you can see now I have a very workable surface. As you can see, now I can start attaching the forms onto these frames using contact glue and start doing the design that the client wanted. For the design, the client wanted a channel bed, and yeah, after extending the bed, you will need to make these ones new ones, the one I just pointed. And the rest of the steps that I'm explaining in the video, you will see them as the video goes by. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Visit our channel. You can watch more of our content on our YouTube channel because we have uploaded a variety of videos. And yeah, like the videos, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment on it. Tell me what you think about the whole bed transformation in the comment section. The client wanted this gray fabric. As you can see, I'm just showing you the fabric that I'm going to be using, and after doing the design, I normally cover the back of the headboard, as you can see, and after covering it, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to be making the lower side of the bed, also the sideboards of the head of the bed, and then after that I'm going to be assembling the bed and show you the final reveal, also the side table that I did make for the client. The other bed that I did make the same way, that is extending the bed and transforming, it was the same design as this one. I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the video, and I hope you loved this content. Anyway, I'm going to be seeing you in the next videos. Bye for now.